Back here at Pedigree Ski Shop, Dave's let me borrow a bench, Johnny's tuning the atomics, and today's a special day. There's nothing like New Ski Day, and there's even something more special about New Ski Day with next year's paint. The weight for this one, Nordica, 98 CA, no metal, early rise tip. It's got those carbon stringers in it, keeping that tip and tail on the ground, and we are jazzed to get going. Gonna mount it up today. Gonna throw an old 747 on there. Let's get it done.
Just take a look at things. Let's just breathe. Oh, just breathe. Got only me, just you and me. So just breathe. Shoes and your coat at the door, along with every little thing that's got you down. Not your job, not your boss, not the guys that they talk. We'll set them all and just leave them on the ground.